In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix incorrect reports in QuickBooks. If your profit and loss, balance sheet, or other reports don't look right, don't worry. There's a clear path to diagnose the issue and get accurate numbers. First, open QuickBooks and head to the Reports area. Start by opening the report that looks off. The most common cause of incorrect totals is the report period. Check the date range at the top. Make sure it's set to the exact period you want, like this month, last month, this fiscal year, or custom dates. Also confirm any filters like customer, class, or location aren't unintentionally narrowing the results. If your business uses both cash and accrual views, confirm the report basis matches what you expect. Click Run Report after any change to refresh the numbers and see if that resolves the discrepancy. Next, go to your chart of accounts to identify any account that looks wrong or unusually high or low. Open that account and run its report to see the detailed activity. Sort by date or amount to bring outliers to the top. Look for duplicate entries, transactions coded to the wrong account, or entries dated outside the expected period. Future dated or backdated transactions can also distort current totals. If something looks off, drill in, correct the account or date, save, and then rerun your main report to confirm the fix. Now open your balance sheet and scan the big picture. Assets should equal liabilities plus equity. If they don't, or if you see unexpected balances like large amounts in uncategorized or opening balance equity, drill into those balances to find the underlying transactions. This cross-check is a great way to spot misclassifications that don't immediately show up on a single report. Then review your bank reconciliations. Open your reconciliation history to confirm the last reconciled ending balance matches your bank statement. Look for transactions that were previously reconciled but have since been edited, deleted, or redated. Those will throw reports off. Also scan for old uncleared checks or deposits that should have cleared. Cleaning those up often brings reports back in line. Finally, clear your browser cache to rule out stale data. Cached pages can display outdated totals even after you've made fixes. After clearing, reload the report and run it again to pull fresh numbers from QuickBooks. Once you've walked through these checks, rerun the original report and verify the totals. With correct dates, clean account activity, balanced statements, reconciled banks, and a fresh cache, your report should now be accurate and reliable.